Good morning, everyone. Again, I'm sorry that I couldn't be with you today, but I wanted to get some clarification for what you should be doing today. Number one, you have a grade card that you need to complete, and you'll do that based off of this week's academic progress. But most importantly, I want you to really take a look at if you have any missing assignments. Keep in mind that this is really truly your last weekend to be able to get caught up with any missing assignments and communicate with your teachers what you need to turn in. I noticed that some of you, many of you, have missing assignments this quarter. And again, I urge you to take this opportunity this weekend to kind of wrap things up with your quarter and your subjects to complete those missing assignments. I will be checking on Monday to make sure that you've turned in the missing assignments, and that should be on your grade card because technically your grade card should include any missing assignments that you have not turned in, regardless if you get credit or not. So I would like to make sure that I will be checking very diligently because again, this is the last weekend that you can have that turned in. So moving forward, your assignment for today is not only the grade card, but also in addition to that, it's going to be a brainstorming activity that you watch that video to prepare yourself for the final exam and actually go into it more prepared and be able to have your stuff organized. So today you're going to choose one subject. So for example, I'm going to do this a little bit with you. You're going to have a blank piece of paper and you're going to be able to wanted you to have like a poster sheet paper, but we're going to get you some just blank paper, and you're going to write your name on it and what you chose to, oh, I'm on the wrong way, what you chose to do for your preparation. So mine is Regina Dunn, and I chose to do the algebra final that I'm going to be working on today on this piece of paper. And what the goal is to do is this is an individual activity. You are not using any material from your notes. You're not to look at your friend's poster. You are just to do this for yourself. And what you're going to do is you're going to start to write down everything that you can remember that you think that you're going to have on there. So I'm going to put, I know I want to put how to find slope. So I'm going to put slope formula first thing on there. And then I'm going to go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then I know I'm going to have slope intercept form. And I'm going to put that on there. And I'm going to go y equals mx plus b. And then I'm going to do point slope form. And I'm just going to write these on here. That's when I have 1 point and the slope. And I'm going to write that on there. I'm going to put standard form on here. And basically for something like math or science, I'm going to put any kind of formula that I remember. I'm going to just keep writing it down on this piece of paper, and then I'm going to go forward from that. Then I'm going to go, okay, I think I'm going to have inequalities on there. I'm just going to put words down. I'm not necessarily going to put anything like that's really in depth, even if you don't understand or know the formula. Maybe you put slope formula on there. Maybe you just put the word slope intercept. Maybe you're just going to write down different things like what inequalities are, greater than, less than. You're going to have graphing. You're going to have quadrants. Just writing those words down for today on this piece of paper. So it should look like it's starting to get filled up, and I'm just going to keep going for about 15 minutes. And that's it. You don't need any notes. You don't need anything else. The one thing I want to caution you with, don't turn in a blank piece of paper. Number one, it's not going to help you. And also, this is basically not to get you frustrated. It's just to make you more aware of what are you recalling, okay? So you can choose a subject that you're like, I really need to do well on, and this is how I'm going to prepare for it. Or you can just, if you want to feel more comfortable, this is what I know, I'm going to put it down so I have this out of the way. Whatever you choose, I really don't care one way or the other. I just want to get you into this process of doing more and understanding how to study. Many of you don't know how to study. We've gone over different strategies. This is one of them. Collecting information for something like this, as big of a test this is really, really important. So I want you to do this. I'm bummed I couldn't be with you guys today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we will be reviewing all of this and getting you ready. I really, truly encourage you, if you have those missing assignments, to turn them in. Email me if you need help with something. I am available in that regard, and hopefully, we can do something on that regard if you need any help. Take care, and God bless, and I hope to see you soon.